One of the things I love about burlesque is that people respond to a glove peel, even though everybody in the room has naked hands. So just keep that in mind when you think about how important it is to establish sensuality and also to have fun. You have to identify with the viewer. In a lot of forms of dance, you don't refer to the viewer, you don't look at them, you refer to the other dancers, or you refer to the choreographer even if they're not on stage. But in burlesque, you're constantly referring to the viewer. You're constantly doing things with a sense of how they can perceive how you feel, how it feels to move in your body, and how beautiful you look. And you look glamorous. You look wonderful because you're having fun. You're gorgeous because you're having fun. There's nothing more fun to watch than a person who's having a good time.